still hanging out with my cats out here. Mia's coming out to check it out now too. What do you think, Mia? What do you think, Mia? And this is Mocha. He's doing the yoga pose. He's so funny. They're so cute. Oh, there, he's gonna go attack her. He's gonna go get her. Oh, he's stealthing out after her. He's gonna go get her. They're checking out the garden. Be nice. Be nice. Oh, now he's going to smell the flowers. I'm checking everything out. Checking everything out because this new cat has just been installed in this garden here. This garden's not finished, it's in progress. See, I've got other things to work on here too. Is this what they call pussyfooting around? All of this stalking stuff all is because of this newcomer. Now they're checking out every part of this in-progress garden effort here. And who's going to get more attention with Mom? Okay, I guess it met with Mia's inspection. And he just decided that he'll plant himself up. Now there he goes. He's up and about. This is fun. So cute. This jungle, our backyard jungle. Oops. Ah, that's the spray. This is my yard spraying. This is funny. We've been in such a drought, everything's so dry, except for where I've been watering and watering. What do you think, Mia? Hmm? This is funny. This is funny with you guys. I guess I'll water since you're both out here.